Hey there, so how to download Media Kit through the BrandConnect on YouTube. So yeah, you just need to go to BrandConnect section in your YouTube studio, and then which is quite helpful feature, which is called Media Kit. This data can be valuable when approaching and securing deals with potential advertisers and partners. Um, this is quite helpful as YouTube generates it for you. So you can then just have View Media Kit, and then you can see like all your unique viewers, unique views, number of your subscribers, some other data. You can just browse around here, and then what's cool, you can also download as PDF. And then yeah, I'm just not gonna show all of it, but yeah, just all the data, all the audiences, countries, views, your recent featured videos, everything in a nice PDF file. We can just easily create, generate, and then you'll just be able to send it to your potential partners, advertisers, and yeah, you don't need to use some additional software, pay for it to generate it, or just make some screenshots from your YouTube analytics and then just create your own presentation. Of course, you can do that, but this is just nice looking, easy way to do it. To access it, first you need to accept BrandConnect agreement, and yeah, then you will just be able to use it. There are some handy guides how to see all of this audience data. You can also customize a Media Kit report. You can just download PDF. I'm not sure if there is a button just to share, create, like a shareable link as you can do with YouTube video. That would be nice. But yeah, so there you have it.